average. Okay, I can do maximum and I can as well do minimum. Okay, so equals average. Okay, C2 to C8001, close brackets, and rectify this and enter. Okay, so make it fast, I can do something. I can copy and paste it. So if I edit this number, you can see Excel has understood that I want it to address for column E. All right, so again I copy and paste it, and it will address for column H as well. So in Excel, you literally need to, if you've written your formulas well, you just need to write it once, and then you can copy or drag as need be. All right, so for maximum, I can do equal to max, right? C2 to C8001. Okay, and for minimum, I do equal to min H2 to H8001. Okay, so I'm going to copy both of them and paste. That gives the minimum prices and then the minimum and maximum ratings as well. So this is like a mini table, like a horizontal table below the main table, right? So I'm going to the margins and apply all the margins, all borders. Okay, and then for the alignment, I'm going to make it to align to the right hand side, while the headings should align to the left hand side. Okay, all right, so that's some basic. And before, we've seen addition, and we've seen average, we've seen minimum and maximum. Here we want to calculate the revenue. So our revenue equal to the quantity, that's column C, that's C. So I can select it instead of writing C2. So I can select it. That's a faster way. C2, and then I select multiply it by, multiply is asterisk, while the what I want to multiply it by is the price, that is E2. All right, then enter. Okay, so here I can double click this fill handle here. There's a tiny dot here. I'm trying to maximize, enlarge it so that you can see it. It's called fill handle. You can see it there. So if I double click it, okay, not there, not to the right hand side. Okay, so you see, so let me double click now. So you can see here, this is C3 multiplied by E3, C4 multiplied by E4, and so on till it gets to the last one. You can see 8001. All right, so that is quantity multiplied by price. All right, okay, so that's something. Now to do division, I'm just going to do an hypothetical sample. So I'm going to call it div sample. Let's assume we want to divide the revenue by the rating. Revenue, that's O2 divided is / rating. Let's check for rating. So you see, as I'm scrolling, the values in the formula is also scrolling. So divided by rating, that's H2, and enter, we have that we have 8 points. So we have like, we can interpret that by saying that for each rating, that customer paid $8.695. All right, so again, I double click the fill handle and I see what I have there. All right, if I want to remove this column, I can just click on the column, right click on it and delete column P. Yes. All right, so with this we have explored basics of Excel, the fundamentals that we'll be using going forward. All right, in the next video we will start addressing the business questions. Thank you and see you in the next video.